In this video, we'll learn how to use the new packaging tool in Loocey. Go to DLA RFQs. Scroll to the right. Select an RFQ, ideally one that has military packaging. This is packaging code MIL STD20731E. Then click the three dots and select Packaging Info. This will bring up a new packaging details pop-up. And you can scroll down to check all the details. Packaging Info tool will parse out the packaging instructions and add the descriptions for each code as well. Next, you can click on Generate PDF to generate the PDF version of the instructions. Then you can save the PDF for your records. Note the PDF also has the solicitation number, NSN and quantity at the top as well to make it easier to identify the contract while you're packing. Packaging tool is also accessible from the bidding board. Go to the bidding board. Select a solicitation. And you will see the same packaging option in the three dots menu. And the same pop-up will work from the bidding board as well.